Hello, beautiful. This is Mandy IRL. Hi. Hello, how are you today? Today we are doing an unboxing of the Brat box. The Brat box is a subscription box for enamel pins and patches and stickers. So, each box comes with 5 items. You can either choose in your subscription to get 4 pins and 1 sticker, or 3 pins, 1 patch, and 1 sticker, and they all come to a value of $49. That's a pretty good deal. There is free shipping on every month. Monthly, they are $30 a month, but you can get them in bulk subscriptions, either 4, 8, or 12 boxes, prepaid, and the cheapest one is the 12-month subscription, prepaid for $276, but that comes to $23 per box, and that's like $4 and some change per item that you get in this box. So yes, and each month you have a choice of 3 different themes to pick from before you receive your item, and then you get your item and it's all mystery, don't know what's in there. They do ship internationally, and if you want to purchase and have it shipped internationally, it's $6 shipping, but in the United States and North America it is free shipping. So let's go ahead and get into this. This is the Halloween theme box, and I'm excited. This is actually my 3rd one. I signed up for a 4-month subscription, and this is my 3rd one, so I have 1 more left before I run out. And then once your subscription, your prepaid boxes end, then you go to a month to month, which is $30 unless you renew to a longer subscription. But we'll see what's in this one. Okay, so I get the 3 pins, 1 patch, and a sticker because I love pins and patches. So this way I get a little bit of both. So hi, it's been a while since I've done a video. Alright, so inside the box, first off, we have this sticker. That is a wonderful sticker. It's got a light peach color. You can't really tell in this lighting. And then inside each month, you get a little box, a little card, a little envelope that has information on all the artists. They support independent artists, so that is really great. And then let's look at the items, and then we'll look at the pieces, and then we'll shout out all the people who made them. So first one, oh, this is a cute little house pin. It's from Yalisha. I believe that's how that's said. Yalisha. That's a little house with a witch hat and a ghost and a pumpkin and a spider. That is super cute. Little orange pin. And then this one is from Left Hand Loser Company. And that's, I keep forgetting which way to go. There we go. And that's sort of a zombie head. See if I can get that. All of these are really cute. They have the pin backs. And then our patch, oh, our patch is so cute and tiny. It is tiny and cute. It is this little hand holding a lollipop that's like a skeleton that has a bite taken out of it. That's super cute. I don't know where I'm going to put that. I don't know if I want to put it like this way. You could put it holding it up. There's so many choices, and I keep getting off camera. There we go. That looks really cute. And the little ruffles on the sleeve. Oh, that is adorable. And then last in here, is from 7th.ink. And it's a Little Peanut Artist series. So it looks like it's from the Peanuts. It's a series from the Peanuts, you know, the comic strip. What does it say here on the back? Hi, I'm Jade, and this is my artist series. I love cats and Halloween. Thank you for buying my pins and supporting my art. Jade Johnson. But yeah, that's like, who is it? Schwartz? you know, Snoopy and Charlie Brown and all them Peanuts guys. That's a little cat on a broom. And just double check. And then the rest of the box has just crinkly recycled papers. They always come in these cute little boxes. I haven't seen the box change for years. I even went back and like looked at old videos of people unboxing it, and the box looked exactly the same. And then on the other side is your address and everything, of course. But that's super cute. So let's get into getting to know a little bit more about our artists and giving them a shout out. And this is so cute. And the envelope goes to... These are always such a pain to get into. They're very well glued. Okay. And now they're stuck to the glue. Okay. Is that everybody? All right. Cool. So first one, Jade Johnson is a featured artist. They live somewhere in Florida. They are at seventh.ink on Instagram. Do they have their own Etsy shop? It doesn't look like it. But I'm sure if you go to Instagram, you'll probably find some. So that's at seventh.ink on Instagram. And there's their card and their information. And I'll put all the information I can in the descriptions below. Then the Left Hand Loser Company is at Left Hand Loser Co. on Instagram. And they are also featured artists. I mean, they're all featured artists because they're in the box. I was hoping it had like their independent ones, but it just has their Instagrams. So yeah. And if you're interested in the Brat box, you can sign up at bratbox.co. And this one is creator of Lively Ghosts. Which one? Is that the sticker? Yes. Okay, so the sticker is from Lively Ghosts. There was no information on it, so I wasn't sure. I was like, wait. And they're at Lively Ghosts on Instagram. They're from California. And lastly, Yalisha. 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 Okay. Yalisha on Instagram. And they're from Pennsylvania. So those are cards for the artists. Sometimes they have really cool art on the cards. These are some photos and things. And then, yeah, that's a cute little collection of pins. We've got the little black cat riding on the broom. We've got the lovely sticker. We've got the haunted house. And the zombie. And our patch. And that's it. That's our 5 things we got this month. And that was the theme Halloween. There were 2 other themes this month that I don't remember what they were, but I picked Halloween because why not? It's October. It's time for Halloween. So yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit the subscription bell. It's free. Hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video, which I should be doing more frequently because I haven't done this in like over a year. And yeah, I kind of miss it. And I have lots of ideas and lots of things in the works and in planning. So thank you again. Once again, if you want to check that out, the subscription is at bratbox.co. I'll have a link right here down at the bottom of the screen. Well, I'll put it up there in words. It won't be a link. But then I'll put the link down in the description. And anyway, thank you, and I will see you next time. Bye.